LayerEdge pre-deposit will end in just few hours. That's about 6 hours to this time. So welcome everyone to Digital. If this is your first time of coming across our channel, do well to like, subscribe. Then more importantly, make sure you follow us on X if you actually want to be up to date in how to make money online. So check the link in the description of this video and join us on X, and also join our Telegram channel. Link in the description and comment section of this video. So now there's a new update now that if you are withdrawing to exchange, you have to do that within few hours, so there's no delay. So if you look at here now, based on what Get.io actually posted, they said pre-deposit end at 10:30 a.m. UTC today, June 1st. So that's about 11:30 a.m. Nigeria time. So you have just few hours left, so no more delay. So for KuCoin, I think the same thing will likely apply, because after you might have entered your deposit address, then they will now pause it for token distribution, for token to be distributed. So I think that will also apply to those using KuCoin. Then another thing I need to actually explain to you is that a lot of people, when they're about claiming, after entering their wallet address and the UID, they discover that the accept button is not working. So what you need to do if you're experiencing that is that just come to put your browser in desktop mode. Then you try it, the accept button will actually go. I actually faced the same problem. Then I was able to figure out the solution. So you can, if you're using OKS, just come here, then you click, then you put it on desktop mode. You get the point. So once you put it on desktop mode, then you are good to go. So if you are using a Mint browser, it's still the same thing. Put it on desktop mode, then your accept button will actually work properly. You get the point. So for those of you that want to claim it to your wallet, so that will be made possible on June 2nd. That's tomorrow. So 2nd of June, you'll be able to claim it to wallet. Especially for those of you having multiple accounts. So you will be able to do that on June 2nd. Then you should prepare for gas fee. And the gas fee is in Ethereum. You get the points, because if you withdraw it to your wallet, if you want to send it away from your wallet, you need gas fee, which might be less than $1 or thereabout. So do well to like, subscribe to this channel, and more importantly, make sure you follow us on Twitter. Link in the description and comment section of this video. See you at the top.